हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल वी डिस्कस अबाउट डिक्शन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे डिक्शन क्या है। ये द चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड है, ये यानी कि शब्दकोश, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, शब्दकोश। ये भाषाई विकल्पों को संदर्भित करता है जो एक लेखक एक विचार, एक दृष्टिकोण को प्रभावी ढंग से व्यक्त करना या कहानी बताने के लिए बनाता है। लिटरेचर में राइटर द्वारा यूज किए गए वर्ड्स एक अलग आवाज़ और शैली स्थापित करने में ये मदद करता है। डिक्शन को एक तरीके से बोलेंगे हम ए सेइंग एक्सप्रेशन वर्ड इन इट्स ओरिजिनल मीनिंग इज अ राइटर और स्पीकर्स डिस्टिंक्टिव वोकैबुलरी चॉइस एंड स्टाइल ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इन अ पोएम और स्टोरी। In its common meaning, it is the distinctness of speech, the art of speaking so that each word is clearly heard and understood to its fullest complexity and extremity, and concern pronunciation and tone rather than word choice and style. This is more precisely and commonly expressed with the term emanation or with its synonym articulation. What are you trying to do? What is your purpose? Finding the exact word that produce the exact effect that a writer intends. डिक्शन जो है वो द बेस्ट वर्ड्स इन द बेस्ट ऑर्डर, यानी कॉलेज के द्वारा कही गई कहावत है ये। यानी डिक्शन को हम वर्ड चॉइस कहते हैं। एक लिटरेचर उपकरण के रूप में अगर हम देखेंगे तो एक राइटर द्वारा एक विचार या दृष्टिकोण को व्यक्त करना, एक कहानी को प्रभावी तरीके से बताना, ये विकल्पों को डिक्शनरी संदर्भित करता है। लेखक के शब्दों या शब्दावली का चयन इन शब्दों की एक कलात्मक व्यवस्था है जो कि एक शैली का निर्माण करती है, एक साहित्यिक कृति की आवाज़ को स्थापित करती है। इसलिए साहित्य को एक काम की शैली का विश्लेषण करना, डिक्शन को पहचानना, समझने का प्रयास है। डिक्शन हैज मल्टीपल कंसर्न्स ऑफ विच रजिस्टर द अडेप्टेशन ऑफ स्टाइल एंड फॉर्मेलिटी टू द सोशल कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज फॉरमोस्ट। लिटरेरी डिक्शन एनालिसिस रिवील्स हाउ अ पैसेज एस्टैब्लिश टोन एंड कैरेक्टराइजेशन, a preponderance of verbs relating physical movement suggests an active character, while a preponderance of verbs relating states of mind portrays in introspective character. Diction also has an impact upon word choice and syntax. How to analyze diction? हम डिक्शन का विश्लेषण कैसे करते हैं? रीड द टेक्स्ट को रीड करें। अंडरलाइन इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड्स, जो इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड और फ्रेजेस हैं उनको अंडरलाइन करें। दैट अट्रैक्ट योर अटेंशन, जो आपका ध्यान केंद्रित करते हैं। कंसीडर पर्टिकुलर वर्ड फ्रेज, आस्क वाई एक्स एंड नॉट वाई। डिनोटेशन, लिटरेरी मीनिंग, कैनोटेशन, इम्प्लाइड मीनिंग। डिनोटेशन का मीन्स क्या है? लिटरल मीनिंग, और कैनोटेशन का मीन्स क्या है? इम्प्लाइड मीनिंग। हाउ डज द वर्ड फ्रेज इलेबोरेट द अंडरलाइन मीनिंग और थीम ऑफ द टेक्स्ट। हाई और फॉर्मल डिक्शन क्या होता है? क्रिएट्स एन एलिवेटेड टोन फ्री फ्रॉम स्लैंग, इडियम्स, colloquialism and contractions. Often features polysyllabic words, sophisticated syntax and elegant word choice. अरिस्टोटल ने अपनी पोइटिक्स में कहा है, स्टेट दैट डिक्शन कंप्राइजेस 8 एलिमेंट्स, यानी 8 एलिमेंट से इनका कंप्राइज किया है डिक्शन को। फोनिम, सिलेबल, कंजक्शन, कनेक्टिव, नाउन, वर्ब, inflection and utterance. However, X states that in this passage the text is so confused and some of the words have such a variety of meanings that one cannot always be certain what the Greek says, much less what Aristotle means. लेवल्स ऑफ डिक्शन, क्या लेवल्स होते हैं? हाई और फॉर्मल डिक्शन, न्यूट्रल डिक्शन, इनफॉर्मल और लो डिक्शन। High formal diction created an elevated tone free from slang, idioms, colloquialism, and contractions. Often features polysyllabic words, sophisticated syntax, and elegant word choice. High formal diction discerning the impracticable state of the poor culprit's mind. The elder clergyman, who had carefully prepared himself for the occasion, addressed to the multitude a discourse on sin in all its branches, but with continual reference to the ignominious latter. So forcibly did he dwell upon this symbol for the hour or more during which his periods were rolling over the pupil's head, that it assumed new terrors in their imagination and seemed to drive its scarlet hue from the flames of infernal pit. Neutral decision. Use standard language and vocabulary without elaborate words, may include contractions. Neutral diction. The shark sung upon, and the old man saw his eye was not alive, and then he sung over once again, wrapping himself in two loops of the rope. The old man knew that he was dead, but the shark would not accept it. Then on his back, with his tail lashing and his jaws clean, the shark plowed over the water as a speedboat does. The water was white where his tail beat it, and 3/4 of his body was clear above the water when the rope came taut, shivered, and then snapped. The shark lay quietly from a little while on the surface, and the old man watched him. Then he went down very slowly. Low or information diction. The language of everyday use, relaxed and conversational, includes simple and common words, idioms, slang, jargon, and contractions. 3 quarts of milk, that's what was in icebox yesterday. 3 whole quarters now, they and not a drop. I don't mind folks coming in and getting when they want what 3 quarts of milk. What the devil does anybody need with their quarts of milk? Types of diction होते हैं slang, colloquial expression, jargon, dialect, concrete diction, abstract, denotation and connotation. कंक्रीट एंड अब्स्ट्रैक्ट डिक्शन. कंक्रीट एंड डिक्शन क्या होता है? स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स होते हैं जो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं फिजिकल क्वालिटी और कंडीशन को. समथिंग सॉफ्ट एंड फ्यूटी मूव्ड अराउंड हर एंकल्स. ही वॉज ब्लैक ऑल ओवर, डीप सिल्की ब्लैक, एंड हिज आईज पॉइंटिंग डाउन टूवर्ड हिज नोज वर ब्लश ग्रीन. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट डिक्शन होते हैं डिनोट्स आइडियाज, इमोशंस, कंडीशंस, कंसेप्ट्स दैट आर इंटेंगिबल, impenetrable, incredible, inconceivable, and unfathomable. What is the purpose of diction in writing? Writers choose specific words and phrases depending on the outcome they are trying to achieve. Diction can create a certain tone that supports purpose. The purpose of a piece of writing determines its diction. In literature and fiction writing, writers often use informal. Support the setting. In fiction writing, the language an author use supports the basic story elements like setting. Diction help establish when and where a story is set by using language native to that time and place. This is called colloquial diction. For example, a story set in New York City will have a different style of language compared to a story that takes place in London. Establish a narrative voice and tone. A writer's attitude toward the subject of a story comes through in the words that they use. This helps establish tone and impact readers' emotional response. For example, the tone of a horror novel will be very different to that of a romance novel. Bring characters to life. A writer can tell a reader a lot about characters through their dialogue. The way a character uses diction reflects personalities like age and gender, background, social setting, and profession. For example, a younger character might use slang when they speak. डिफरेंट टाइप के डिक्शन होते हैं. डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ डिक्शन इम्पैक्ट हाउ डिफरेंट आइडियाज आर एक्सप्रेस्ड. देयर आर 8 कॉमन टाइप ऑफ डिक्शन. Formal diction. Formal diction is the use of sophisticated language without slang or colloquialism. Formal diction sticks to grammatical rules and use complicated syntax, the structure of sentence. This elevated type of language is often found in professional text, business documents and legal papers. Informal diction होते हैं is more conversational and often used in narrative literature. This casual vernacular is a representative of how people communicate in real life, which gives an author freedom to depict more realistic character. More short stories and novels use informal diction. Pedantic diction होते हैं. This is when writer is highly detailed or academic in their writing. Words are chosen specifically to convey only one meaning. It is sometimes used in literature when characters speak in a highly educated manner, as in F. Scott Fitzgerald the Great Gatsby. Colloquial diction. Words or expression are information in a nature and generally represent a certain region or time and not an event. All are example of colloquial expression born in rural areas of United States. Colloquialism and color and realism to writing. Slang diction. These are words that originated within a specific culture or subgroup but gain traction. Slang can be a new word, a shortened or modified word, or words that take on a new meaning. Examples of common contemporary slang words are acro instead of aggravated. Abstract diction. This is when a writer uses words to express something intangible like an idea and emotion. Abstract phrases often lack physical detail and specificity because they are things the reader cannot experience through their five senses. Concrete diction. Concrete diction is the use of words for their literal meaning and often refer to things that appeal to the senses. The meaning is not open to interpretation because the writer is specific and detailed in their phrasing. For example, the sentence "I ate an apple." Poetic diction. Poetic diction is driven by lyrical ballad that relates to a specific theme related in a poem and create a euphonious or harmonious sound. Poetic diction usually involves the use of descriptive language, sometimes set to a beat or rhyme. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.